Many businesses tend to look at Power BI implementation as all about the knowledge of technology and often overlook the opportunities to uncover value from the platform for their core business. Glorious Insight looks at Power BI as more than just a technology tool. We believe that successful implementation of Power BI is about rethinking your business models, operations, and your relationships with customers and your digital ecosystem. Create a consistent and stable foundation for Power BI success in your organization. Glorious Insight's Power BI Center of Excellence Engagement teaches you the questions you need to ask and the processes you need to implement to enable users to be successful and avoid the chaos of an ungoverned Power BI environment. The CoE offers enterprise-class best practices and governance strategies for the self-service area, including administration, data strategy, security, auditing, and user onboarding. Why should you implement a Power BI Center of Excellence? Our Power BI Center of Excellence engagement will establish best practices, best policies, and best processes to ensure the health of your Power BI implementation across the enterprise. Power BI CoE areas of focus. During the Power BI CoE engagement, Glorious Insight partners with your organization to build a comprehensive set of policies and processes backed by best practices to enable self-service users and Power BI administrators to be successful. We partner with you on delivery strategy. What delivery strategy approaches can you take when it comes to managing the use of the platform? Are you going to be hands-on or hands-off? Data strategy. Do you want to create and own datasets served up to report authors, or do you want authors to have free rein on the data they use? Monitoring. Establish additional monitoring by surfacing audit logs into a starter Power BI report. Change management. Discuss different options for rolling out Power BI that have been implemented across multiple industries. Administration. Discuss gateway setup and management, naming conventions, workspace creation, and capacity management. Tenant capacity settings. Ensure capabilities are enabled to avoid inefficiencies in how Power BI is utilized. Power BI Embedded. Discover what is possible beyond interacting with content in the Power BI service. Performance tuning. Work through strategies and problem areas for your authors to consider when developing reports. User adoption. Work through ideas and approaches to increase user adoption in your organization. We help you implement Power BI Center of Excellence to optimize your Power BI investments. Faster go-to-market. Accelerate the speed with which new projects can be assessed, mapped, and executed. Reduce risks and costs. Reduce the amount of rework, integration, and expense that arises when fragmented processes have to be stitched together. Glorious Insight lets you open the doors of opportunity for your business with a Center of Excellence CoE to unleash the transformative power of collaboration and technology. Glorious Insight. Your trusted partner in your digital transformation journey.